Hey guys, it's Cal with the Lighting Doctor here. I'm going to show you guys today what you're going to get inside your do-it-yourself kit. Before I do that, I want to explain why we designed these do-it-yourself kits. So after installing lights for several years, we just got tired of all the garbage that was being sold out there, whether it be online or in the big box stores, and we saw so many people and homeowners and contractors installing lights using very poor quality materials, and we were having to go around and fix them. So we realized that people wanted to save some money and do it themselves, but we also wanted to give them the same materials and the same products that we use from some of the leading manufacturers of landscape lighting that have been around for a long time, not some fly-by-the-night operation that comes in, sells the lights, offers a 70% discount, gives you a lifetime warranty, and then good luck trying to get that warranty ever reimbursed or get those lights back. All we've done is we've gone and we've searched the best of the best products out there, the best of the best companies that have proven track records, and we've taken all their products and put them together in kits for you guys that are designed to work no matter what kit you buy. All the materials and everything there is built for the long term, whether it be bulbs that last 50,000 hours, waterproof connections that actually hold and keep the water out, fixtures that are built solid with premium quality materials, and you can feel the durability that are going to last 10, 15, 20 plus years. The proper wire that's not going to melt out on you, that you can never make repairs on. Everything inside these kits is the best of the best, and all we've done is put it together for you guys so that you don't have to go and sort through all the garbage that's online and all the stuff that's in the big box stores that, although it may be cheaper, in the long term, it usually isn't. But if you're looking for cheap, those are still good options. All we're doing is giving you premium quality materials at the best price we can possibly do that. So here's what you guys are going to find inside your kits. Guys, here's what you're going to find inside your quality LED landscape lighting kit with Wi-Fi controls. This is kind of our mid-grade kit that encompasses a combination of both accent lights and path lights. So it's great, again, if you want to highlight any architectural features around your home, trees and shrubs in your landscape. Then if you also have a little bit of walkways and pathways that you want to accent, or stairs that you want to light up so that they don't become a tripping hazard or security hazard, this is going to be the kit for you. It's 12 lights total. It includes everything else you need in the kit. So what you're going to find inside this kit is, again, you're going to find 8 of the FX Luminaire LED up and accent lights with 4.5 watt LED bulb. Each light comes with a 10-foot lead wire to give you that extra wiggle room, as well as a very hardy and sturdy 6-inch ground stake to keep that light very stable and secure when it's in the ground. You are also going to find 4 FX Luminaire path lights, again with a 2-watt LED bulb in it, with a 12-inch stem. This is going to give you about anywhere from a 8 to 15 foot spacing, really depending on how light you want that light to be on the ground and where you place it. Again, each with a 10-foot lead wire, and these lights actually come with an 8-inch ground stake because they are higher and require a little bit more durability. You get a little bit beefier of a ground stake with each of these lights. So a really good quality, durable, long-lasting light. Both bulbs and both of these lamps are rated at over 30 to 50,000 hours of life, which is going to be a long time. Within this kit, you're also going to get your BVS2 snap block connectors. You're going to get 2 packages of these, so 40 total connectors. You're going to be using about 2 of these at every light, as well as we're going to throw in a couple other connectors in case you need to tee off a wire and some other little things that are going to be within your kit that are going to help make your job a little bit easier. You're also going to get 250 feet of 12-2 low voltage direct burial wire that you can bury directly in the ground. You don't need to put this in any conduit or anything. We just recommend 6 to 8 inches, just so that you're not hitting it with an aerator or anything like that. Really good quality wire that's going to last a long time. Leave a little bit of loop at every single fixture, just in case you need to move that light a little bit, just to give you a little bit extra wiggle room. Along with the wire, the fixtures, and the connectors, you're also going to get your Kichler 120 watt power transformer. Now this transformer is good for anywhere from 20 to 24 lights on it, depending on which kind of lights you use. So you have a lot of room to add on lights down the road. You basically just plug this into your GFCI receptacle, and then you have a couple Nice little timer options on here if you want. It comes with a built-in photo cell so that your lights will work with dawn and dusk, as well as some timer settings so that you can turn those lights off at 4, 6, or 8 hours after they've been on. But included with this, to make your kit completely Wi-Fi now, we've included no additional cost to you guys. It's the WeOn Wi-Fi timer. Basically what you do is you plug your transformer into the bottom of this, and you plug this into your GFCI receptacle, and now you can operate all your lights through a simple WeOn app. And what that does, it gives you a bunch of different timer options as well. The most popular being Astrological Timing, which now means you can control your lights with or without a photo cell. It's going to use your geographical location that works with dawn and dusk. So wherever you live in the world, it's going to know when you set up the app where you live, what time dawn and dusk is, and it will operate with that, as well as it gives you about 7 different timer options. And you can turn your lights on and off from anywhere in the world. If you're sitting in your backyard, or if you're off vacation in Hawaii, you can turn those lights on and off. So that's why we've included that. So you're going to get all that stuff inside your kit, like I said, with a couple little extras and bonuses just to help make it a little bit easier for you guys, as well as a complete instructional guide with some different tips and techniques and things that you can use to help you really place those lights to get the best effect possible. And on top of that, as always, when you buy a kit, email me some of your pictures if you want help designing it. Installing landscape lighting, especially low voltage LED landscape lighting, is very simple. It's the design that sometimes gets a little bit more complicated. So you have access to me now. Email me some pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca, and I'll actually help you pick and choose the proper place to put some of those lights so that you can maximize the effect and not have to buy more lights than you need. We want your property to look as good as possible, and once you're done, we'd love it if you could send us some pictures. So again, email me those pictures, comments, questions to cal@lightingdoctor.ca, and hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you're going to find inside the quality LED low voltage landscape lighting kit with Wi-Fi control. Thanks for watching.